All right, this is a big one. What to bring and what to leave. I know we get attached to our stuff. I know we have our sacred heirlooms and our things that we're just so attached to. What I did before I left, and this was a practice I got more and more into as I lived more minimalist in the States, was I would take something and look at it. Have I used it in a year? Do I really love it? Do I hold it to my heart and go, man, I can't live without this, whatever it is. This is precious to me. And if I didn't, if it wasn't something I used, if it wasn't anything I had even taken out of a box in a year, didn't need it. Because the reality is, whatever you got over there as far as things and stuff, they got it over here. And there's a few caveats to that, and I'll add in those outliers in a second. Let's talk about electronics first. Any electronic device, and a lot you can't buy over there, like DJI stuff, Xiaomi, Huawei phones and Huawei tablets and things like that. Super cheap, better than what you got over there. Like the DJI stuff is super cheap over here. You can't even get a lot of that in the States anymore because of the tariffs and different situations. So electronics, they got you covered for days. The one thing electronically I would say is iPhones about dead even. They used to be a little bit more expensive here, but they are opening iPhone plants, and I think the AirPods are already making them over here. Bought some AirPods for Foong last month, and they were actually cheaper than they were in the States. So that's a variance, a little bit of a variance. But I used to tell people, get an iPhone and bring it over before you come, but not so much the thing anymore. It's about like this. But clothes, you can buy all your clothes here. Again, there's a caveat, it's coming at the end. You're gonna wanna hear it. But clothes, shoes, they have Lazada and Shopee are the two big online. We don't have Amazon here, but Lazada and Shopee are the two big services, and it's the same thing. It's always better because you can get COD. If you wanna see it and touch it and make sure it's legit and you want it, cash on delivery, old school, COD it's called for you younger folks. Don't know what that is. We used to have it, or you used to have it, you ain't got it no more. Something that's in my expat playbook. If you are a larger person, or if you have very big feet, get those things in abundance over in wherever you're coming from. Because people here are smaller, the shoes are smaller, the clothes are smaller. Now there are big man shops, big lady shops, and you can go to the Americanized Western style malls, and they do have all the shoes you want. But by and large, in the markets and a lot of the value places that I like to shop where you get good bang for your buck, they ain't gonna have no 2X. They ain't gonna have no 3X. And here's what I gotta tell you too. The sizes are completely different here on the clothes. Like this right here, this is like an XL. The t-shirts that you see me wearing all the time, my own shirts, most of the ones I wear are 2XL. Yeah, so a large over there is like a 3 or 4X over here. It's completely skewed. So you have to think of it as those terms. If you're a larger person, wider, bigger out here and other places, you're gonna wanna load up on some clothes over there. Because here, you're gonna pay top dollar at the big man shop, or you're gonna have to go to a mall, and there it's top dollar in the mall. So, some food for thought. They got it all here, no matter what. You know, one electronic device that's pretty crucial, I would say bring over is a power converter. You can buy them in Target, any kind of stores. You can buy it online, but it's just a power converter where you plug, because it's this 2-prong plug that they have here. It's not what you're used to with the 3-pronger. So you plug this into the wall, then you plug your stuff into it. When I first got here, I fried my blow dryer because I tried to plug it straight in, and it just went and just smoked and crispy, extra crispy, yep. So get a power converter, really look at what you're bringing over, because it's just more space and more stuff to cart around. A lot of folks too, when they get here, post up their suitcase and then go travel. And I've had clients where they're in Taiwan, Thailand, they're in Indonesia, Sri Lanka, going all over. And what the hell is the point of bringing over all this stuff just to keep it in a freaking apartment somewhere while you're out jetting around and out playing and doing stuff? So bring what you need, Bring just what you need. A couple sacred treasures if you gotta have it. And there you go. That's what you need here.